Okay guys, Miss J again, found you something else. Now, you know in New York City, if you have little kids, you need them to be right next to you, not darting out, running around someplace, especially in the store or on a busy street. So, here's something that you're really going to appreciate. It's called Hold On Handles. Now, you can see from the picture what that does. Daddy has the clip on his belt, and the kids have their hands on the handles. But we're going to show you it in person, and here to talk to us is Robin. Hi, Robin.
Hi, everybody.
How did you come up with this product? Because this is really, really cute. I love this.
Necessity. My business partner, Suzanne, has triplets. She created this rope for her kids that was made of duct tape. Okay?
No.
Kid you not. And like the people at Home Depot thought that she was just
a bad mommy.
No.
Duct tape. Oh.
So she came to me, and I have a packaged goods background, and we talked about like, well, you have twins. She asked me, you have twins, and you have a baby, a 3-year-old. And I said, yeah, but I don't need a rope to carry them. I need something to go on the stroller. So while I'm pushing my kids, the kids will hold on. I go, but it can't look like that. So, so we got a designer, and we worked together, and we created this product that would be great for her and great for me. So it clips onto the stroller. You can have up to 3 children. Hold on. So one child can be here, one child here, and one child in front. And the nice thing was we're totally overprotective parents. They all had to be within arm's reach.
Right.
And everyone said, why don't you leash them? Why don't you put them on a harness? We're like, yeah,
oh, I
no.
hate to see that. But I understand sometimes it's a necessity. You have to. You just have to.
There are some kids that just need
Some kids need a harness.
But we believe that actually positive reinforcement is way better than harnessing. So
yes.
You can take the child, they don't sit, they want to come out of the stroller. The only way they stay out of the stroller is if they hold on. They let go, back in the stroller. 9 of 10 kids within a couple weeks know what they're doing.
This is great. So what is this? This is all metal, right?
All metal. It's a fully aluminum. It's a custom carabiner we designed so that 3 kids could hold on, and that it would go on any stroller in 2 seconds.
So does it come with the three handles?
You can. There's a double handle set that comes with 2, and there's a single handle set that come with 1. So this is the Ocean series. This is an Ocean single. These retail for $20. So this is our favorite, our octopus.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that.
And so this is single. It comes with the carabiner and the strapping and the octopus. That's a single. And then any handle can become up to 3. So these we sell separately. These retail for between $10 and $11. That's a single. That's a spare.
Oh, okay.
That's a spare. You can add it to a single up to 3.
Okay. So if you're taking a neighbor's child out, or even like babysitters that have more than one child.
Or you have 2 girls that are going to fight over the octopus. You buy a single, and you buy, and then you get a double pink.
You are a mommy. You know how they think.
So mom, that kids will fight like crazy.
So where can your product be found? Where can my mothers find your product?
Well, if you're in New York, you can find us in Albee. You can find us at, oh my goodness, I'm going to forget. Shlomo is his name. Oh my goodness.
You have a website, right?
We have a website.
What's the website?
www.greaterthan1kids.com or holdonhandles.com.
Fantastic. So, you will never lose those kids again. They will stay by your side, and if they don't hold on, then back into the stroller they go.